Do you see my feet?
I do. I see
found them.
Are you gonna eat it? You gonna eat your toe?
He says you're welcome to.
Oh, I got your foot. Oh, and you got my hair. It's a trade-off. Is that yummy hair? Is that yummy hair? It's soaked hair is what it is. Drool monster. Drool monster.